guys. Tonight I'm gonna do a swap between the OEM handlebar with this carbon fiber. It's an Easton EC70, which is quite light. It's from my old bicycle in Thailand, but I made a mistake back in the day. I didn't really like wide handlebar, so I cut it down. It used to be 720 mil for this one. Now I cut it down to 680, and now I want to get it back as long as I want. And it was. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my new grip, which is on one. Instead of putting it all the way, which will give you the same exact width it already has, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the grip just maybe 75% like this, so you can get more handlebar width. Let's say 1 inch and 1 inch on both sides. Let's say 50 mil, so you're gonna get roughly about 730, which is not bad. In this case, this one is about 720, 730-ish. Alright, let's do take it out. But before that, I'm gonna get something. Alright, this one is a job word, and this Allen key, the triple, is number 456 mil, which is the most number that we use every day. Alright, let's start with removing the grip from the old one. This Voodoo, the in-house brand, it's not that bad, although it's quite heavy. Oh my goodness, this is like, you can have 3 of this one and weight about the same with this one. And I'm not saying it's a bad one, but it's just heavy, and then it just the way it's supposed to be. Oops, too tight. Oh, come on. Now it's a trick. That what I'm gonna do is use this to measure. So this thing gonna be about 1 inch away. Yeah. Alright. Tighten it. You have to adjust based on your riding position. In most cases, it's going to be when you sit down, when you sit and when you get the right position, it should be about when you straight your arm in front and then put it down, you should go a little bit lower, because you have to take into account that you will also have to stand up and write. So in my case, when I put my hand, I need to have like let's say 1 centimeter. Yeah, this much is like the right amount for me. And usually I don't really tighten this one so hard, because when we crash, so this thing can move all the way and not break. And I would say this handlebar look really awesome. It looks handsome on the bike. Don't you think so? Yeah. Alright, and that's it for the video how I change my handlebar. It's not how to change, but how I change my handlebar. Alright, thanks for watching.